This Patreon ride was so awesome. It was hard as hell. It was long as hell. It was cold as hell. It was everything as hell. I'm actually here in my hotel room in Sedona at the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival, kind of, sort of. I've been riding with Sid and Mackie. You guys will see those videos soon, but I had to get this demo video done. I hadn't freaking got to it. I was doing that big live stream. Excuses, excuses. This is also a very similar, exact same layout as when I stayed here last year in Sedona, and I got food poisoning, so it's almost like a weird, what do they call it, PTSD kind of thing, but it's fine. I'm good. I'm healthy. The fajitas last year fucked me up, so I only got one ride in last year, but this is good. Phoenix a couple days ago, Sedona today, Sedona tomorrow. Who knows what's next? So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for supporting me. I've had a lot of people join up recently. I appreciate it. You're here. You make this happen. Donations, big or small, it's what keeps this thing going. Let's get into it. It is a nice chilly day in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and it is time for another Patreon ride. I think there's gonna be quite a few people, and I'm hiding out in my car right now because it's so damn cold. We've got like 30 minutes until we take off, so I'm just gonna chill here and not get too cold. All right, we've got a turnout. Hell yeah. Let's get rolling, boys. No women. Sausage fest. All right, let's do this thing. Alec with no water. No, okay, he's got a bottle. Minimalist. Yeah, once the
like 2 bottles of water.
It is, I mean, it's not a bad strategy to do the pregame, but it's so cold today, it's not like you're gonna really need it. Let's roll.
We'll be a second.
Yeah, it's, you guys will catch up. There's no problem. What's up, dude? Good to see you again. Hey, Ryan, what's up, man? Good to see you, dude. I didn't know you were coming. Awesome.
Yeah, I brought him along.
Yeah.
How's it going? Good.
Sweet. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.
What's up, dude? I saw your brother up there, like, oh, it's Brian. Like,
yeah,
oh.
yeah, not quite.
You're a guy. We'll be there in a second.
Cool. Yeah. We'll take our time.
So I go on down to Austin, Texas, and I bring the cold and the snow.
Yeah.
Now I come on down to Santa Cruz, and it's 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah.
It is what it is. Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you, Orby. I've been hearing about you.
Yeah.
We got Lone Ranger.
Yeah.
We got MTB Flow Rider. We got Mig.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I'm getting there with the wheelies.
Yeah, wheeling this thing is a different experience. Once that front wheel's up, it's like up here.
Man, I feel it on my feet. These socks.
It's like you're back in Canada.
You live in Alberta?
Yeah.
Which city?
Just north of Calgary and Edmonton.
Okay.
And by just north,
Just north. That's
not,
yeah, that's not just north. The Oilers.
Yeah. They're calling Mount Shasta just north.
Yeah, yeah, totally. It's fucking cold.
Yeah, it is really cold. Oh, you should have worn the winter handout.
I don't have them. They didn't send them to me.
The first time I've even needed them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not going to tell you what my Garmin says right now.
29?
That's what it says.
Yeah. I've only seen one Yeti so far.
We're in Santa Cruz, come on. We've only seen one Orbea.
Yeah. Orbea, as some people say.
There's like 3 guys on my team that have that back.
Yeah? Yeah, it's the hot thing. I just heard back. Supposedly I'm going to get mine in April.
Nice.
So that'll be nice.
Do you do the full custom?
Yeah, custom color and stuff, yeah. You know, who knows what it'll actually look like in real life, but somebody posted one that had like yellow and black and it looks fucking awesome.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I should have done yellow and black.
The only thing they've changed is the handlebars.
Damn.
A lot of complainers. We're out here. This is California cold. Man, I was looking through like my old videos and like, you were like in one, like, it wasn't maybe the 5th or 6th video, I think, that I ever did. Like when we hung out, did the Santa Cruz thing.
You see, that was like even before you went to Whistler.
Yeah, yeah. And I was looking, because I was only doing like one a week basically then, maybe. So like that was pretty cool. Now you're on the beast here.
Yeah.
Digging it?
Really? Oh man, never good enough. The climb has been really good. I'm nice and warm now. Oh yeah. Oh, son of a. Oh, I did the same thing. Did you get it? The bonus, cold again. I took the jacket off. Justin did not.
Nope.
Found some sun. Anybody's bike break yet?
Don't say that. Why'd you say that?
Da, 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 da. A little bit of the single track. Already dusty out here. It rained a little bit the past couple days. Not enough. Soquel State Forest. In my first video, I said Soquel, and had a couple of very snide remarks about saying it wrong. Bike breaker. Break your bike yet? Feels like it's gonna break my bike.
Mine feels solid.
Ah, no way. Really? Hell yeah. Whoa. Fuck. My chain was slapping all around. I just take the gnarly lines. Look at that feature. That skinny to a drop back there. That was cool. I didn't do it. I'm just saying it was cool.
Do you do that drop?
No.
I've never done.
It looks pretty solid. Oh, here's one too. Hit it just. Oh yeah, let's make sure. Regroup.
Yeah, I made that wrong turn.
Yeah, definitely. Towards flow. Yeah. Kinda.
Did you wheelie while you were going down?
The whole thing. We lead the whole thing. It's crazy.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna chase Alex Chamberlain for half a second.
Okay.
Are you a little self-conscious?
I am a little bit.
Oh, he's gone. Woo! Oh, nice. That's the end of that. I forgot how big Alex Chamberlain is. He's freaking like 6'2". Big boy. Oh, another split. It probably connects, right? Ugh. That was super speed. So fast that at a certain point you don't get on film anymore. Dude, that corner was sweet. I was just like, ooh. You dug it right in. That was great.
A lot of it, like, you have to smack the back tire a lot.
Uh-huh.
It's bad for the wheel. It's the only way to sound it. I mean,
Yeah, I learned a thing or two. All right. I'm gonna stay on the trail. Following Alex is fucking, I've got a long way to go. So a little bit more and then we'll see the sign. We'll be there.
Skipped and got stuck.
Oh, oh, the derailleur? Oh, fuck.
I couldn't unclip it.
Yeah. Down the mountain. All right.
I'll follow you down.
Cool. I think we've got some gnar here. Trying to get in over my head. It's still early in the ride. Woo! Yeah, I hate that. It's the worst.
Look at that.
Too loose. Need the hero dirt for that stuff. There we go. Whoa! Oh shit. A BK line. That's deep. Oh! Yeah. That was a little bit goofy line I took.
Yeah, we definitely took the
Deep hole.
yeah.
I don't take it easy. Always hard.
Gonna ride a 29er, might as well hit the knob.
I remember this. How did you do on that gnarly shit?
Yeah,
Okay, did you go on the right side?
clear.
There's a big hole.
Whatever the crazy thing was, I probably didn't do it.
Yeah. We're rolling this way. Let's do it. See what I'm made of. Haha. Hoo! Now I'm starting to remember all these twists and turns. I've been out here a couple times. One of the times I came out, I was using the Feiyutech wearable gimbal number 2 and it ruined the entire ride. None of the footage was usable. I returned it to Amazon, got another one, same thing. Thumbs down. Flat turns. This might be the one I crashed on. Nope. I think we already did it. Cool. Yeah, here and there. Been getting them more and more. I don't think there's anything too crazy. You never know. I really wish we would have ridden that more gnarly stuff together, just to, I don't know, you
Yeah,
can follow.
no, I hit it all.
Yeah,
I
that's
concluded
great.
it. There was some fucking
Yeah, it's
shit that I was like, I'm glad I don't remember
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
I would have been freaking out.
that's the one I went over the bars one time and had to run down the hill on that really crazy rock garden kind of downhill back there.
I think if I was on flats, I'd be a little more confident.
Yeah.
Like my,
John just switched to
this is my
just to clips.
This is my first technical route, like anything technical on a clip. Because I told you I wasn't gonna even go to Rockville.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
But then I was
This is a
like,
good start.
my birthday.
Hell yeah, happy
Wednesday,
birthday,
I
dude.
was like,
Baptism
let
by
me go on a
fire.
Let's do it. Let's roll.
Baptism by fire.
I know, right? Harry rolled down a hill.
It's not a ride unless you roll down a hill. Nice. Hey, we made it. Just a few more miles. Oh, they closed it. Dang it. Okay, let's go back.
So that was flow trail. That was great.
Did you guys feel that flow? They're like never ending.
Alright, I'll climb back on now.
Yee. All right.
That's what Joaquin Miller feels like to me
Yeah.
sometimes.
Alex Chamberlain was saying, oh, you don't even use your front brake on this. We'll see about that. I'll try. Got Ryan up front. We got Colt in front of me. Colt already went on a patron ride a while back. Ryan is one of my first videos ever where he went to Santa Cruz. Nice! The Flow Fitness Trail. Oh, the dust. Woo! Yeah. Oh, try not to break. Hell yeah. Yeah. Hit it, baby, hit it. See if I can keep up with this guy. Woo! Yeah! Oh, take the high line. Woo. Hell yeah. What's your name, Dylan? Yeah. Nice, okay. Woo. All right, Omar. Big old ruts. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Woo! Ha ha ha! The downhill workout. It's crazy. That was a good spot. That's tight. Yee! Hell yeah. All right. Oh, cut it close. Nice. Oh, I didn't go high enough. Woo. Oh yeah. Nice, there you go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, Mig. Yeah. You're looking pretty smooth, my man.
You gotta keep that mo going.
Yeah. Oh, the hands are feeling it. Always the high line on the berms.
Yeah.
You want to follow me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, go, go, go. I know, I know. High line. Up. Yeah. Yeehaw. Always trying to take these as high as I can, as scary as it may be. Oh. All right, I'll let you go ahead, Jess. Sorry. That was only the fourth.
This is the fourth.
Yeah. I think there's 6. How'd you like that, Ryan?
That was great, man.
Super cool. little too much brake. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Ha. Alright. Ah. Look at that one. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ah. Oh, what a workout. Glorious. Yeah. Am I slowing you down?
No, you're good.
Okay. Woo! Yeah. Everything's tight now. Oh. Oh man, full on.
Yeah, Holly.
I felt good.
That's good.
Hell yeah. That's about friggin' 180 beats per minute right now.
A couple of top little fenders, I'm like,
Yeah, here we go.
that was good. Did you guys
Sweet.
ride behind me on the top, Ryan?
Is
that you that was yelling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first start, yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, oh, I pulled it a little farther than I wanted.
Yeah, because you had a big whip. That was awesome.
Like,
Landed it.
Pulled it back somehow.
Exactly.
I'll leave this time.
Okay, let's go for it. I'll follow you, Ryan. Out of gas. Ah! I saw both of them gap it perfectly. Oh, now I'm getting loose. Oh! All right, I'm pulling off. Go for it. Yeah. All right. Tired is not good to try to push your limits. Trying to do a little no brakes, but then you're in too deep. You got to grab them. Chatterbox. Oh, seat came up. Hit me in the butt. That was that. Spectacularoso. Awesome.
Yeah. That was probably the best section.
Nice. That's too worn out. Once you're out of gas, then it's like tough, yeah. I made myself like stop and just like, okay. Looks like Tom drew first blood here.
Oh my God. Yeah, every time. It's a blessing and a curse.
I promised an ass kicker. Many asses were kicked, including mine. I'm trying to keep up with this son of a bitch. Had to get a little training in. Are you gonna get a power meter on that thing? I'm serious. Yeah. Turns it into a spreadsheet instead of a ride. This is for fun. As you can tell, it's a whole lot of fun. The last time I did this ride, I was riding with Evan and Isaac and one of their buddies, just friggin' getting toasted on this thing. It was like hot, and where you would just see them off in the distance. Today I'm doing pretty good, but there's always somebody faster. Flannel management with the Lone Ranger. Yeah.
That's a good climb.
Oh, big time. Well, how many guys did, I didn't count how many people we had, but now we're the only ones. It's so funny how it's like the barometer of fitness, like everyone's little spot.
Frickin' Alex has got 34 or 36 tooth.
Yeah, make him
like
strong.
2 gear in the back.
Rolling again. Legs are nice and tight. I'm gonna let these guys roll. All right. There will be some kind of bench. Sweet. Getting colder. Nice. Did you get that little thing?
Yeah, a little
teeter totter? Cool. So this is it, right? All right. Dun, dun. Yeah. Alex gonna take me down here. Try to keep it between the ditches. Motherfucker. God damn it, I could have done that. Fuck. Psych out. Already psyched out. Oh my God, good shit. Whew. I got the medium one. Hold it tight. There we go. Aha! He would have done it. Nice. Okay. Ah! Dude, that's so nice. That was, they're built well. Ah. Oh, that sounded bad. Got that one. That was pretty easy. They're all like that. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't gap it. Nice job, man. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. Nice. Yeah. Woo! Into the rut. Smooth, dude. Oh, thought I might have been a little close on the pedal there. Woo! Oh. Bam! Oh, nice! Oh, holy shit. Oh! Oh! Nice! Ah. Whoops, I looked down. Not a good time to do that. Holy moly. You're riding smooth, dude. More of a rollover there. Nice. Oh shit. Nice. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh man, that was nice. Woo! Ha 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 ha! It's still going. Holy shit. Woo! Just a wee bit more. That was great.
I had a front massive impact.
Yes, I heard it. It was crazy. Not even a mark.
I wouldn't be surprised.
How'd you like it, James?
Oh, that was good. I like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd like to come back.
Yes,
Now
of
that I've
course.
seen it once.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Because I went around a lot of shit.
Yeah.
And then I.
Oh yeah, and you're hitting those ramps at X-Checker. You'd probably be able to hit them. Alec was hitting them all, and he was super smooth. It was just like super smooth, super smooth. Yeah, what do you say, Miguelito?
I was here Thursday. I did it.
It's old news to him.
All right. So you took all the jumps and shit then.
We done it. Woo! Oh man, spoil us. Look at this. Chris took the initiative.
I have a bunch of drinks. Help yourself.
Yeah.
There's.
Ooh, nice. Classic. How was it? What do you say?
It was alright.
Underplay it.
It was red.
Yeah.
Yeah, good time, man.
19.4. Hey, shut up! I'm just kidding, Meg. It's okay. Hey, thanks everybody for coming out. That was awesome. I didn't get a head count or anything, but it was really, really good. Just absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the trail.